Non-compliance also today, if you see, it is not just about getting penalties from the government. Non-compliance is now equivalent to a reputational risk and also lost opportunities. How? Because if you see the entire ecosystem today, a lot of things are dependent on your compliance. But the entire ecosystem with the GST framework is such that now it's your compliance also matters to your vendors and to your customers, because unless you are complying, they also lose their input tax credit. Similarly, if your vendors are not complying, you lose your input tax credit. So it's an entire supply chain ecosystem that is getting affected. And technology at IRIS, we feel that technology is the best compliance accelerator. This will help you prepare for notices, prepare for GST audits. So we have these reconciliation modules, and along with these reconciliations, typically on the input tax credit side, we had a know your supplier report, which is where you will be able to categorize your vendors into who are fully compliant based on his compliance behavior. So because we can get to know whether he has filed on time or not, because ultimately it's not just about he has filed or not. It is also important to know whether your vendors are filing on time or not, because 1 day delay equals to your 1 month delay in claiming of ITC. So that is how important it is to keep a check on all your vendors. Talking about the digital transformation, so litigation management system that we have created is not just a document management system for litigation. It also helps. It also helps you create a case right from the beginning, from the pre-litigation stage to the high court. The entire journey is getting captured, and this journey is not getting captured just PDS. It is getting captured through structured data. So basically, whatever issues are coming, like for example, in pre-litigation, there are certain issues that have come. You can, on the system, you can track at an issue level, and with each forum as and when the case moves. So once the order comes, the issues also move accordingly, and there you also have an option to categorize issues into whether it is a high risk issue or a moderate. So depending on what do you feel that whether there will be a demand.